In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to adjust the speed of your video using Canva. Whether you're looking to speed things up for a snappy presentation or slow them down for dramatic effect, Canva's tools make this task easy and intuitive. First things first, you'll want to open up Canva in your preferred web browser. Make sure you're logged into your account so you can access all your projects and tools. Once in Canva, it's time to prepare your project. If you haven't already done so, create a new video project from scratch or open an existing one that you want to edit. You'll see a selection of video templates and themes ideal for different types of projects such as slideshows, promotional videos, or social media clips. Choose a template that fits your vision, or start with a blank video if you want more creative freedom. After opening your project, you'll find yourself on the main editing screen. This is where you can add elements like text, images, and music to your video. If your video isn't already loaded with content, you can start by importing the clips you intend to use. Drag your video files onto the timeline or use Canva's intuitive drag-and-drop interface to arrange your video elements just the way you like them. Customizing your video at this stage gives you a clear view of how the final product will come together. Now, once your video is ready, take a moment to preview it by playing it through, ensuring everything looks as you envisioned. You might want to identify sections where changing the speed would enhance the impact. Look towards the top of the editor and you'll notice a speed option. This feature is often represented by a small speedometer icon or can be found as a drop-down menu in the toolbar. Clicking on this speed setting will reveal options enabling you to either speed up or slow down your video. By default, your video plays at its normal speed. You can adjust this to faster or slower, depending on the effect you want to achieve. Perhaps you want to increase the speed to add energy to a slideshow or compress a long tutorial into a more viewer-friendly length. Conversely, slowing down can be perfect for highlighting key moments or creating a dramatic pause. Feel free to experiment with these settings while previewing the changes immediately. It's all about finding that perfect pace that complements your video's message and style. Once you're satisfied with the playback speed and the overall feel of your video content, that's it. You've successfully used Canva to alter your video speed. Thanks to Canva's user-friendly interface